I wanted to share something really special with you. My 4-year-old son joined me on stage to sing 2 tunes by Johnny Cash. I almost never share things like this publicly, but I wanted to open up the door and share this really cool clip with you. I think it's amazing. Of course, I'm biased. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And I appreciate you watching. Hey, have a wonderful Labor Day. We'll be back next Sunday for another live stream ukulele lesson. Look forward to seeing you then. Keep on jamming. Ladies and gentlemen, Rowan Oliver Fuchs.
Rowan Oliver Fuchs.
Okay, so get rhythm. 1, 2, and
Get rhythm. When you get the blues, come on, get rhythm. When you get the blues,
a little jumpy
rhythm
rhythm
makes you feel so fine. And shake our drums up and roll and rock. Get rhythm. When you get the blues,
little shoe shine boy. Ready? Little shoe shine.
Shine boy never gets thrown out. He's got to it in Johnnytown. Bent below the people tree on the windy corner of Jordan Street. Well, I asked about how much you how do you keep from getting the blues? With that baby's little head, pop shoe shine rabbit, notice her. When you get the blues, get rhythm.
When you get the blues, it only costs a dime, just a nickel a shoe. Does $1 million look good for you? Get rhythm.
When you get the blues.
Well, I was toting my pack along the dusty Winnemucca Road when along came a semi with a high canvas covered load. If you're gonna win a Mac, with me you can't ride. So what'd you do?
So I climbed into the cab and then I settled down inside.
He
Asked me if I'd seen around with so much dust and sand. And I said, listen, I travel every road in this your land.
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the desert,
Fair man, need a mountain air man. But I've had my share, man. I've been everywhere.
where you been?
I've been Reno, Chicago, Fargo, Minnesota, Buffalo, Toronto, Orlando, Salem, Wichita, Tulsa, Ottawa, Oklahoma, Tampa, Panama, Maryland, Buffalo, Tobago, Baltimore, Salvador, Amarillo, Colorado, Amarillo,
I'll kill out. Where else you been, Rowan? You been to Boston?
I've been to Boston, Charleston, Dayton, Louisiana, Washington, Houston, Kingston, Texas, and Monterey, Philadelphia, Spain, Tallahassee, Grand Rock, Black Rock, Big Rock, Austin,
Tennessee, Hennessy, Chicopee, Spirit Lake.
I've
I've been everywhere, man. I've been everywhere, man. Across the desert, baby. Where you been?
I've been everywhere.